Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make salted diamond cuts. Very easy to make and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, I've taken 1 cup of maida. If you prefer not using maida, you can alter this with 1 cup of atta. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix it well with a spoon. Make sure the oil and salt is well spread. Now it's nicely mixed, so start adding little water at a time and knead it well. We're looking for a chapathi batter consistency, so add water accordingly. Now we have it right, so divide the dough into 2 equal portions and keep it ready. Now to a rolling board, sprinkle some maida and place the dough on it. Start to spread it using a rolling pin. Spread it evenly and make sure you spread it very thin. We are now ready with a very thin sheet, so start to make diamond shaped cuts using pizza cutter. Now it's all ready, so let's go make the salted diamond cuts. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, drop in the diamond cuts. Fry the diamond cuts in high flame for 2 to 4 minutes. Flip sides continuously to make sure all the sides are evenly colored and cooked. It's been 2 minutes now and our diamond cuts are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove. Heat a pan. Into this, add a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal, 1 dried red chilies, a teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 green chili slit and few curry leaves. Give all the ingredients a quick mix for a few seconds. Then to this, add 1 onion finely chopped. Saute until the onions are translucent. Then goes in 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute for a few seconds. Then add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Then to this, add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well until it comes to a boil. Cook for 2 minutes in medium flame until the masala dries up a little. Now our masala is ready, so go ahead and add 6 slices of bread cut into small pieces. Mix it well and make sure the masala is well spread in the bread pieces. Finally, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now our delicious bread upma is ready. Sprinkle some save on top and serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick breakfast recipe. So do try this bread upma recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.